Hey there, it's Maria from designbymaria.com. I'm a wife, mother, and graphic designer. A few years ago, when I was primary president, I had the most amazing counselor. She made adorable handmade gifts for all the kids in our primary for like every holiday. And when she wasn't my counselor anymore and I had to start making gifts, I decided to keep it a little bit more simple. So I have some simple Christmas gift ideas that you can give to the primary kids in your ward or branch if you get to the end of the year and you have some money left over in your budget that you want to spend for that. The first idea is a flashlight. I know it might seem weird to give kids a flashlight, but kids love these like a toy. And it goes so well with the concept of Christ is the light of the world. And so I have this cute tag that says Jesus Christ is the light of the world, Merry Christmas from the primary, that you can purchase on my Etsy shop for a few bucks and just print it out yourself. There's also one that doesn't have the bottom part if you wanted to say from the Relief Society or whatever you wanted to put at the bottom instead. And these flashlights were actually super cheap. I got this for $1.25 and then I also got batteries for $1.25. So this is like $2.50 for this gift plus the cost of the bag and the ribbon and the tag. So it's not that much. It's pretty inexpensive, but I even saw some flashlights at the dollar store that were like flat flashlights and they were magnetic and they already had batteries in them. So that could be a fun gift too. I've seen people use the light of the world example with a nightlight as well. So put a cute tag on it, give a flashlight or a nightlight. There's your first idea. For the second idea, I designed these names of Christ ornaments. There's a couple different versions in my Etsy shop. This one, the text is printed, so it's not like a cursive font. It's easy for kids to read. It has these nice Christmas colors. If I were giving this gift, I would just print out these 4 pages on cardstock in color and then also give some embroidery floss. Embroidery floss is like less than 50 cents and the kids can cut them out themselves and string them up and do the Christmas countdown as a family. If you have a cutting machine, you could cut these out as well, but I think it's totally fine to let the kids do some of it on their own. The final 2 ideas I have are a little bit less religious. So you, as a primary presidency or as a primary teacher, you could fill this out and see, you know, do my kids need that spiritual uplift or am I trying to reach out to people and just let them know that I care? If that's the case, these are some other alternatives. The first one is this popping by tag. I love using the expression popping by because it works great with popcorn, soda pop. In this example, I made caramel popcorn balls. I have this caramel recipe that's super easy. It's microwave. And so you could make popcorn balls for the kids depending on how big your primary is. And this tag is just super cute. It says popping by to wish you a Merry Christmas. If you have lots of money in your budget, you could include a bag of microwave popcorn and a can of soda pop. Kids love soda pop. This last idea is one that I designed for my friend Connie when she was primary president. She just wanted to give the kids a bag of candy, keeping it simple. And so I just designed this tag that says have a sweet Christmas and then at the bottom it says love from the primary. There's also a blank one that you could type a different message at the bottom. So this is just simple. Kids love candy. Don't make it overly complicated. And I love that this is an opportunity that you could take these around to kids that don't come and just let them know that you're thinking of them and wish them a Merry Christmas. I hope these ideas are helpful for you. Please check out my other gift ideas and my Etsy shop. Thanks for watching. Happy holidays.